Please, ladies and gentlemen, be in trends in safety and security solution, as the theme says, and it will be brought to you by our CEO from Automatika.
Следува предавањето за трендовите за безбедност и security решенја. Го покануваме на стејџот Борис Popović, извршен директор на Аларм Automatika од Хрватска. Повелете.
Добродошли, Борис. Угоден остаток предавања. Ево га.
Good day. Dobar dan. Dobri den. You know, my presentation will be much more general because I'm general manager, and those general manager, they know almost nothing about everything. You know, those are smart guys. You know, but afternoon you will have professional presentation about specialists who will exactly talk you about technology and some things. I will talk about some trends. This is the name of my presentation, Riding of the Wave of New Technology, because we come from the Rijeka, from the sea, and those waves are something what inspiring for us. Alarm Automatika is 35 years in the business, present in 11 countries. We have our own R&D, we have our own brands, and we have four total solution. We call it Smart Solution, DIAS, Interactive Digital Electronics and Automatics, and for safety, for security, for surveillance, and for smart automation. And each of our solutions which we offer consists hardware, software, platform, and services. You know. And what is new for Alarm Automatika? This is our new building. We build new building which is primarily for our export business, because a few years ago, export business of Alarm Automatika, it means business outside Croatia, becomes much bigger than Croatian business. And very soon we'll be opening, and our colleagues from each country will invite our partners to come to see and visit us. You know, we would like to present new things. But again, like people said, what Alarm Automatika present here, we have booth here, we have presentation about safety solution and regulation, and safety solution implementation this afternoon, and tomorrow morning we also have presentation about security solution, some new things in this field. About trends, what I would like to, I always start very general. General, it means those are 5 megatrends. And I had similar slide some years ago, but what is the difference? That time also was climate change, but much more going green. You know, now it's become a really problem. You see that weather is severe, and really you have a lot of floods, you have a lot of storms, and things going really, really unpredictable. And what changed between that time? That time we talk about globalization. Now we talk about fracturing world going in some blocks, and again we have some uncertainties, some additional risk. Also, that time was urbanization was main topic, but now is demographic shifts. What it means? It means that in some countries labor force become old, especially Europe and developed countries. We going older and older. For example, average age in those most developed, it means median age. It means half of people are younger, half of people older, of this going between 45 and 55. And in developed world, it's labor force missing. Contrary, in Africa, average age, middle age is around between 15 and 25. But down there, they have enough. They don't have enough jobs for young people. And also technology going very fast, and it will be topic of my presentation, much more technology. But all those things together, what they make social instability. It means a bigger and bigger difference among East and West, South and North, and rich become richer, poor become poorer. those who are educated, they become even more educated. Those who are not, they even become less educated. And it means those disparity, those differences going bigger. And these differences create tension. And this tension create, unfortunately, some additional job for us. And technology. Technology changing very fast. You see, this is industrial revolution. We now are in sixth wave, sixth industrial revolution. It starts everything in England a few hundred years ago with water power and water mills. And after that, railway, coal, oil, internal combustion motors, airplanes, and after that, becoming fifth revolution was caused by internet. And sixth revolution is caused by mobile internet. And what is important to say that each of these revolution is shorter and shorter. Change is going faster and faster, and people has to change much faster. And what is important for each of these stage of revolution? Each of stage of revolution create destruction. It means all things disappear, new things appear. And what's going on? When Automatika start, most important things was digital networks, IP networks, software, and new media. And actually, it was key success factor of Automatika. Today, it's completely different. Today, this is artificial intelligence, IoT, robot and drones, and clean technology. And from these things, what is important for us most is IoT, Internet of Things. And I call it not just Internet of Things, it's intelligent of operation technology, because it's what we're doing. You have on one side ICT, which deal with information, and another side you have operation technology, which deals with some data, and this data are reason for doing some action. And what was main, why is possible? Because these four things: cloud, social media, analytics, and mobile. Without this, Internet of Things wouldn't be possible. And if you see on this slide, number of people are growing, but number of IoT devices per person are growing also very fast. Today, we have around 7-8 devices per person. Till the middle of this century, 2050, it will be around 10 billion people. It will be top, rich. Middle of this century, humanity will reach highest amount of people. After that, it will going down. But number of IoT devices will growing. They predict it will be around 20 billion IoT devices. It means 20 IoT devices per person. Of those 20 IoT devices, probably 5 devices will be from our industry. It means this is huge, still huge potential for our industry. How things are changing. Its slide shows this is the Amazon, and the revenue of Amazon and profit of Amazon. And you see here that Amazon has 25% revenue of data traffic, of data packages, and they have 75% revenue from the e-trading, classical physical boxes. But profit is vice versa. They create 75% profit from Amazon Web Services and only 25% profit of selling the boxes, selling the devices. It's completely shift in philosophy. And you see how big this business is. It's huge business, and the biggest player is Amazon. For example, from our suppliers, Ajax use, for example, Amazon. Automatika use Azure. Inim use Google. And it means without these four things, without cloud, without application, without internet, without mobility, and interactivity with customers, probably you cannot survive. behind this is data and big data centers. Big data centers, you see, is over 50% of data centers in the world are in US. But what you need for data centers and for artificial intelligence? You need energy, you need data, and you need processing. It means those data centers, they have a huge amount of processor. It's the reason why, for example, some big data centers, they have over 100,000 processors. An average price of processor is $80,000. It's huge investment. They said a cost of one request on ChatGPT, it's like 8 minutes broadcasting of television, 8 seconds broadcasting on television. And you see the market share. It's 82.7 is ChatGPT, and Perplexity going down, Copilot from Microsoft, Gemini, DeepSeek Cloud. You see, mostly American products, only DeepSeek is Chinese. Cloud was some European, and actually Cloud was scientists who first invite the sentence or like word artificial intelligence. But you see the result of Europe in this game is not good. Now you have some Mistral AI. This is some huge European company in which Amacela is the biggest producer technology for producing chips. Amacela invests huge money. Probably Europe will have also good player in this field. In main trends, energy and intention for clean worlds. You see investment in energy. Solar, absolutely number one. After that, grids. After that, wind. It's over 100%. And this is the direction in which modern world is going. And in solar and wind, Chinese companies, they have over 50%. They are really leading players in this field. Robots, still Japan and Europe has some position. And Japan 44%, Europe 24%. And still we have chance probably to be competitive, Europe to be competitive in this field. And after all this, what's going on with people? We have some Croatian singer who said, "Gdje je nestao čovjek?" Where the person disappear, you know. But importance of labor force, of the people, of human being is higher and higher. But it has to be more skillful, more competent, more knowledgeable, knowing to use more sophisticated tools. Price of technology going down, price of labor force, labor cost going up, and you can expect in the future that also prices of our services will growing. It means that you will have to pay more, because we have to pay more our people. I just will give you some examples using technology. We have some supplier in producer of cameras, name is Reolink. We started to work with company 5 years ago. And most of people, they said, but those are toys, you know. But in those toys, you have AI, battery, solar backup, wireless communication, 4G, application, cloud. It means, and those toys are win on the last IFA. They win, you see how many awards, you know. And again, cloud, application, wireless, this is the direction, artificial intelligence, in which also for this wireless stuff, you need fast wireless network. Automatika has a very good cooperation with Rugi Rie company. You can see on our booth, you can see technology, how to make wireless network on big field on the territory of cities, but protected networks, private networks, and networks which are possible to manage through the cloud, through the application, you know. And what is main benefit is time saving and cost saving. Time saving is extremely important because price of labor force. and also cost saving from same reason. Also, Alarm Automatika has almost over 20%, 20 years, our brand DVC. DVC is, it's not anymore video surveillance. This become visual intelligence, because CCTV going through the stages. On beginning, it was just somebody who is watching camera, and this camera looking some risk place, and it was beginning. After that, it start recording, and after that, it start remotely monitoring, integration, first detection, some visual detection, and after that, using artificial intelligence. This huge quantity of data, but now is not just artificial intelligence in capturing signal, now is artificial intelligence in searching this huge CCTV material. And this is where we have great servers, which really gives you possibility to find what you have very, very fast. In the future, next step, 7th step of developing CCTV, probably artificial intelligence will in real time search whole base of recorded materials and search by purpose. It means artificial intelligence will have some request, I don't know, search for this person, search and maybe purpose, not just CCTV. And this is additional value. Purpose can be marketing, purpose can be logistic, purpose can be HR. You can use CCTV for many, many different purposes, and it's give value to the customer, and it's give you possibility to make more money. For us, also important, one of the company who really make a revolution in the field of security is Ajax, and Ajax also entered in the field of safety. And Ajax now have EN45 certified wireless fire system. You can see it on our booth presentation, and today and tomorrow you can see also some really advanced, and they use wireless application, cloud, analytics, etc., etc. For big safety system, we have INIM. INIM gives you possibility not just fire detection and gas detection, but also public address, voice avocation, controlling, extinguishing, controlling fire sectors, also cloud, also IP communication, also GSM communication. It means gives you mobility and control from your hands. Evolution of smart buildings. We used to sell to customer, we sell security, safety, and surveillance. Today, customers want much more. They want application, they want control, they want interaction, they want efficiency, they want cost effectiveness, and our business also changed business model, because we move from selling hardware to selling software, from selling software to selling services, and everything going in direction service as a software or software as a service. And you see those 4 main systems here: intrusion, video surveillance, access control, fire and life safety, but you have additional 2. Home automation and building automation. And this is the direction in which our industry is going. Now its hype is like artificial intelligence. I say we do intelligent automation, and this is our goal, to still have person in the center of the decision making, but give them a right information to make great decision. Alarm Automatika, you will see now a few slides, we have many Alex solutions. This one is Alex Home. We have our application through which you can control many, many devices for the home. Also, we have Alex Shop, alex.shop. You can find on this shop many devices which you can choose for your needs for different kind of smart control and automation. Also, we create some application for end user, Alex My Monitor, where end user who don't like professional service, he can connect on this application, this software. This is software as a service. With this software, he can call professionals for intervention, and they will charge them additionally. Also for maintenance. He used this like communication tool with specialists. It means he can call for intervention service and he can call for installation. And he do everything through this application. He can pay it per demand, or he can have monthly service. Everything going automatically with end user credit card. Also, Automatika has total solution for central station. We have, for professional monitoring company, AB system DCNG, and this software is over 100 companies in the region use this software, but this is for monitoring local alarm systems. But we have Smart Guard Patrol. This is the software to controlling your guards. What your guards doing, what your patrols, what your cars, where they are, what they are doing. And third thing is what I said before, Alex, my monitor, it's give additional possibility to end user to control by his premises by their mobile phone. Automatika, I'm very, very close to the end. Automatika has many different softwares. We have more than 20 different softwares. It's 5 groups. I mainly talk here centralization and integration, but we also have software parking management and control, people and vehicle counting, ticketing and managing entrance to the public facilities, and newest one is for energy management. Because energy become extremely important, and Automatika developed the software, and we have some huge project with almost 1,000 buildings where in some country near you, where we control consumption of energy, water, gas. We measure all conditions, humidity, temperature, quality of air, and through this software you can control it, you can measure it, you can manage it, and this is the huge advantage and save a lot of money and a lot of cost. And I hope so that with my presentation I turn on some sparks, and that some of you will going interested and you will visit our booth here, and probably you will come on our presentation today afternoon for the fire solution and tomorrow morning in James Bond for the security solution. Thank you very much.